getting to cleaning my refrigerator. This is my refrigerator for taking the market. Let's see, we got all these apple sauces and fruit cups. Sauce, ketchup, barbecue sauce. They gonna eat all this stuff in here. Where it is. But I'm tired of seeing it. So, cause my refrigerator, I mean, yo, it's not that bad. So I just gotta do a little spraying out. As I try to keep my refrigerator as nice and clean as possible. I think this gotta be a little scrubbed out, so let's go. So we're gonna coming out. Out. And all nice and clean. This one, see, it's not that bad. Just a little spray down. Because all-purpose cleaner cleans everything. All that out of there, and it smells so good. You can get it from the Dollar Tree. Hold on, y'all. All nice and clean. My refrigerator is so clean because I try to keep my kids out in my refrigerator. I do all the cooking, so nobody really goes in it. So I keep my refrigerator and stuff the way how I like it. All clean. This side is done. Put this back. Put these sausages up here. Put my cheese right there. I gotta clean the inside. Put that right there. Now we're gonna work on the inside. Spray it down. Wipe it out. All in there. Be all nice, clean. that side is done. We're gonna take put it right here. Then we're gonna dump this. And I'm gonna spray it down. All nice and clean. And there you go. Here. So we take this out. I'm gonna get the milk. I'm not gonna forget. I'm gonna forget. Just set that right there. A piece of food, right and fresh. Put this down. Get this food out. What more yucky food in the refrigerator? Oh my gosh, y'all, this refrigerator smells so good. Y'all can smell it. And we're gonna have to wash these out. Now here is the messy part right there. At the bottom, where you sit there, have your meat undone, all the blood and stuff get in there. Clean that out. Clean that. It's really stuck in there. Really spray it down. Spray back. Try it. Spray it down. Stuff out of there. I like a clean house. Refrigerator, nice and clean. Wipe it down. Then we're gonna rinse the rag. I hate getting onions and stuff because it's still stuck on the refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? I hate that. Alrighty, now the back. Now, back in. There we go. Put our cheeses back in the refrigerator. We put our ketchup on the door. Barbecue sauce right here. We're gonna put this on this side. Lunchable, and so that's my gravy. Get that off. Cheese must have been open. Hold on, y'all. Why should my children go in the refrigerator? It's just that they didn't close it up, and I didn't see them close it, so we're gonna hold it up like this. This is in there. We just gotta clean this side. I thought it was some cheese up there, but it must be cheese. Bring this out and wipe it down, yo. I'm gonna show you final results of my refrigerator. So much cleaning. That's done. Stuck in here. Hold up. It's all nice and clean. Put it back right in there. Got the Nashville hot barbecue sauce right here. Relish. Beer. I had to wipe that beer off. It's so sticky and stuck together. All nice and clean. Put that in there. I'm gonna clean it. That's off. So you're nice and cleaned off. I'm gonna put that right back because this is not my go-to beer. My beer is Corona. Mother-in-law had that here from last time she was here, and it's still sitting there. But all done. In the refrigerator, all nice and clean and pretty. Now I can go to the market tomorrow and get my refrigerator back up and running. Cause I need, ooh, I see that, Oh no, we gonna get that right there. Cause I don't like that. Oh no. There we go. All nice and clean. See you on the next one. Bye.